on to step 3 of the 3 ways to find a common denominator. If I have the problem 3/8 plus 2/6, I know I can multiply 8 times 6 to get my new denominator, but that's kind of a bigger number, and I don't like those bigger numbers to work with on denominators. So I want to see if there's a smaller number that both 8 and 6 will go into. I'm going to do this by finding the least common multiple of 6 and 8. Remember, the least common multiple, a multiple means it is a number that 6 times something will go into. So if I list the multiples of 6, it's just like skip counting. I have 6, 12, 18, 24, and so there's 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4. Let's go one more. 6 times 5 is 30. If I do the same thing with 8, 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. Oh, and I can stop right there because I just noticed I have a 24 as a multiple of 6, and I have 24 as a multiple of 8. And that is the smallest multiple between 8 and 6. So I'm going to use 24 as my new denominator. So I'm going to say 24 and 24. So I'm going to rewrite my problem using my new denominators. Now I just go back and do my normal steps. 8 goes into 24. 8 times 3 is 24, so 8 goes into 24 3 times. What I do to my denominator, I must also do to my numerator, so 3 times 3 is 9. 6 goes into 24 4 times, so what I do to my denominator, I must do to my numerator, so 2 times 4 is 8. Now that I have 2 new fractions, I can just go ahead and add them. And as we know, 9 plus 8 is 17. My denominators don't change, so my answer becomes 17/24. And I know that the number 17 is a prime number. Only 1 and 17 will fit into 17 evenly, so 17/24 is my final answer.